Hi, and welcome to WordPressUncovered.com. I'm Julie, and today I show you how to create a child theme in WordPress. If you're planning to make any changes to the code of your theme, then you should do that in a child theme. If you don't do that, your modifications will be overwritten with the next theme update. Your child theme is like an extra layer to keep your tweaks safe. Sometimes themes include a child theme in the theme zip file. Just download your file, and then go to in your dashboard, go to Appearance, Themes, Add New. And then click here, Upload Theme, okay? And then your theme will show up in your, under Appearance Themes. That's a very easy way. However, other themes don't include that child theme. So here I show you now how to create our own. Start by logging into your hosting account to get your FTP details. So here now, this is an account with SiteGround, but the hosting accounts they're quite similar. So what you want to do is you want to find the FTP details. Here we go to Websites, then we go to Site Tools, and click on Site. FTP accounts. Here we go. Now, if you don't have one yet, what you do is you just put in your name, generate a very strong password, and click Create. A minute later, you'll have your FTP account down here. Now, what you do is you click here, those little dots, and click on FTP credentials. There we go. Now we have hostname, username, password, and your port. Copy those, please, and then go to your FTP client. In general, you can use any. You can use FileZilla, Fresh FTP, CyberDuck, WiseSmart, Fire FTP. Any of them will do the job. They're all very, very similar. Okay. Here now we use FileZilla. Here we go. Here you put in your host, username, password, and port, which you just got from your hosting account, and click Quick Connect. On the left-hand side, you'll see your local site, so anything from your desktop, and on the right hand side you'll see a remote site. Okay, so we will start, let me see, you would start about here. Okay, this is what you would see. So what we do is here we click on the site you want to open, and then we want to find your theme files. To do so, you go to public HTML, come to WordPress content, and then themes. Here we go. Let's say we want to create a child theme for 2017. So what we have to do is we stay in themes, we do a right click in here and click Create Directory. Here we go. Let's call this 2017 child. So hyphen child. And okay, here we go. Now, inside this folder, we want to create a new file. So we'll go into the 2017 child. Now we've got here two options. Depending on the FTP client you use and depending on the version, you can do a right click in here, and you see an option in here where it says create new file. Or you have another option. You can go in Apple, you can go to your text edit program, or Microsoft, you can go to WordPad. You create a new file, okay? New, and now we change it to plain text and then save it as text file. Now we'll go back to our FTP client, and you'll see here on the left hand side is my text file. So now what we can do is we just do a double click on this text file, and with that we transfer it over to our folder in 2017 child. So now we have to change the name of the file. We're going to change text file txt to style CSS. Now what we want to do is we're going back to our dashboard, go to Appearance, Theme Editor. And then here we choose the theme. So we're gonna go to the new one we just set up. It's 2017 Child. Click on that and click Select. Here we go. And now it tells us this theme is broken, the template is missing, and that's okay. All that means is we haven't set up the style sheet for our child theme yet. So what we'll do is we click in here and write /star, then the theme name, which would be 2017 Child here, or whatever is your theme name. Template, that's the template where it came from. If you're not 100% sure what's the name of your template, you can always go back to your FTP client and have a look here under themes, okay? It gives you the full name. So for example, if you wanted to use the steady income, you have to write MTS_steady income and so on. Or here, just 2017. But do make sure that you copy this correctly, okay? And then we have your author and the version. And again, */. That's all you have to do here. And now, let me scroll down and click Update File. Now, when you go back to Themes, you'll see that we've created the 2017 Child theme. We have to do one more thing. We have to load the style sheet of the parent theme. So we used to do that with @import URL, but it's not recommended anymore because the style sheet might load multiple times. So instead, what we can do is we go back to our FTP program, and now what we're going to do is we're going to transfer another text file txt, and we're going to rename this to a function.php. Good. Now we'll go back to our dashboard, go back to Themes, Theme Editor, and refresh. We need make sure you choose the right theme, 2017 Child. And now you see here, now you've got a function.php. We'll open that. Now we're going to edit that. There's a code which I'm going to paste underneath this video. So you just copy this and then you paste it in here. Oh, there we go. Scroll down and click Update File. Perfect. Now when you go back to Themes, 2017 Child, we click Activate. Now that's it pretty much. Now if you want to make any changes to any of your PHP files, what you can do is you go back to your parent theme, so here 2017, and then let's say we use the header PHP. You download that. Now you go back into your child theme and you upload your header PHP. Now you made a copy of this. And now when you go back to Appearance and your theme editor, refresh. Here we go. We go to 2017 Child, click Select. And now you'll see here on the right hand side, now here's a copy of the original header PHP. Now when you click on this, here we go. Now you can make any changes here, any modifications, and they won't be overwritten with the next theme update. Now if you want to just change it to your CSS, you don't even have to create a child theme. There is an easier option. You just go to your theme, you go to Customize, and click Additional CSS. Here we go. So if you just want to make a little CSS change, you can just add it down here. There's no problem. But if you want to make any changes to any of the files, any PHP files, do create a child theme first and then make your changes in the child theme. And then when you run the next theme update, nothing will be lost. Now that's it pretty much. I hope you found that useful. Please subscribe to my channel or sign up to my newsletter on the website wordpressuncovered.com. I put up new tutorials all the time, and it's a great way of supporting free WordPress education on the internet. Thank you very much.